Day 4, part 2. Part 1, I was smoking meat and cleaning up my barbecue area. But while I was doing that, I was getting ready for more harvesting. I had to scoop the grain out to see how wet it is, and it's bloody soaked. So I'll tip all the grain out in the buckets and give the hopper a good clean. All I've got to do is just give it a bit of a hose and hose the bottom of the auger, and it'll dry in about 5 minutes because it's a bloody hot day. So here I am running up to the truck, about to turn the tipper on to get the grain coming into the hopper. And a bit of a stitch up incoming. But I've just got to turn the truck on, pull a little lever, and the tilt tray goes up. Then I've got to jump on the tractor and start the PDO so it turns the auger. And as you see, bang, phone fell down. And I don't have a case for this phone. I'm using the film, so lucky it didn't get smashed. And I'm going to run down the back and turn the tractor on, reconnect the filled bin, because you have to disconnect it to put the PDO on. I'll remove the chocks and jump in the tractor and get moving. Pull up the blade, put it in gear, grind them till you find them, and we get this show on the road. And this tractor is a bloody pain to drive because it moves at a snail's pace. But it just is what it is. I'll bring it back close where we need it and I'll turn it off. Just gotta lift up the little lever that used to be connected to the pull stop. Just wait till she clonks out. Done. The contractor rocked up and I was just talking to him and he said the grain is too wet to get harvested. So we just got to do this paddock right here below our house. But we'll still get ready for tomorrow. So I locked these sheep up early so we can move around the machinery a bit easier. And then he's just going to harvest just a little bit of grain here so we have room to drive around, maneuver our truck and field bin. And we will end up putting this grain into the silo. A little bit of wet grain isn't too bad. But also another thing we've got to do to set him up tomorrow is give him some fuel. So throw a battery in the back and fuel up the header. All we've got to do is send the grain up the auger, head into town for my training, and that's my day done.